Alright, the first thing we're going to work on is adding a section or a page to an existing section here, and we're going to do that under the example of the applications page. So where we're going to make all these changes is inside your website management tab up here and then under architecture. So we're going to take a quick overview of what you see here first. For the most part, ignore this sidebar too. We're going to mostly be working on the left side here, and you're going to see kind of three main sections. This top section here that's all in this box labeled primary is really the main level navigation. So you can see the basic structure of your website here with the sections and then the pages under it. As we look further down, we'll see some different elements. Hidden pages is stuff that we're going to add that's not publicly viewable. So it has a URL, but there's nothing really linked to it. So that's where your tutorial page is going to be housed, and we'll use this to add the initial new pages, as you'll see. And then these are your instances of secondary navigation. So you'll see a repeat here of applications, and this is the sidebar navigation. The easy way to tell the difference is the sidebar navigation is in its own box, and it has a little thing called single link next to it, meaning it's not an actual page, it's just a link to that page. Whereas up here, it has HTML next to it, meaning it's the actual page. So alright, what we're going to do first here is we're going to add the page inside hidden pages. So just click add page. You're always going to be adding an HTML page here, so select that, and then we're going to give it a title. We're just going to call it tester for now, and then keep your eye on this because we're going to need this later. This is the URL identifier. HSP2 you want the style for. It's a 2-column layout. So we've done all that. Now we can click create page. So you can see here that it's housed under the hidden pages. So we're going to go ahead and drag that up into the application section so that it appears in the main level navigation and as a page. So go ahead and drag that up. You can see now we've got tutorials in here. Sorry, I dragged the wrong one. Let's drag that back. We want tester. We've got tester. So we want that in here. It is currently disabled, as you can see, so we're going to click enable to turn the page on. So now we've got tester housed under this section, and if you click on it you can see that it's an actual page. We don't have any navigation in there yet, which I'm going to show you next. So if we go back in here into architecture, so you can see we've got our tester. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work on adding that into the navigation. So here's your application side navigation. We're going to once again just add a page. Now this time, instead of adding HTML page, we're adding an instance of a single link. So we've got that, and then again, just to make it match, we're going to call it tester. And the location / URL is really just what we had before. You type / tester. So create page. Now we've done that, and once again, once you create it, it's still disabled. So we're going to click enable. So now we've added an instance of this to the sidebar navigation. The next step you have to do, and again, just make sure that you follow this anytime you have to add a page. It'll be easy to do with the video. You click modify the instance of the sidebar navigation, and you want to make sure that it's clicked for tester, because this decides where that module appears. So we want to make sure that it appears on the tester page. So we save that. Now if we go back out to your website and we look, we have under applications tester here, and on any page it appears here. So, and you can see that actually we've got it at the bottom here, but it looks like it's not at the bottom in the main level navigation. So we can go in and fix that simply by dragging it. So we want agriculture to be in front of tester. So we just do that, and that is how you add a page.